I'm making clam chowder jalapeno poppers. So the first thing I do is, in a bowl, I place cream cheese and my grated cheddar. I also added a lot of chopped scallions, a little bit of chili powder, salt, pepper, lemon zest. The way I'm preparing my littleneck clams is by cooking them in boiling water for about 10 seconds, and then I shuck them like you would clams on a normal day. I separate them from their liquid, I strain the liquid, and I chop the clams before adding them to the cream cheese mixture.
So what happens with this? What are you taking the seeds? You taking the seeds and the stems?
No,
out?
I'm going to leave the seeds and stems because I'm here with my homies. What do you say? I asked Jonathan. He said leave the seeds in.
No. Seeds aren't your problem.
Okay.
It's the veins inside of the jalapeno. That's where the real heat's going to come from. You're going to. I mean, I know Artie likes it spicy, but you're going to kill her. You're going to leave them canoed like this?
I am going to leave them canoed because I'm always disappointed in a popper that it's not the whole jalapeno. I love the whole jalapeno.
See, I take my jalapenos, cut the top off, hollow them out, and then stuff them.
All right.
That's right. But
I would have done that had I known that.
You can't do it now. You can't put it back together. Can't put it back together. You can't double stamp, triple stamp. Artie,
yes.
How do you do jalapenos? Do you take out the seeds and the veins?
For my kids, I do. But for me, I would do the whole thing.
I see.
No,
there you
that
go.
is not.
And wax,
I mean,
you know what?
I do take them.
Light you up.
I do take out the membrane. Yeah.
Thank you. Rocco, are we finally putting it together?
We're putting it together, my friend. I stuff my jalapenos with a spoon, grab a little bit of filling, and I stuff them generously. And then I wrap bacon around each one and put them on the tray.
Are you going to stick these with a skewer or anything?
Yeah, I'm going to do that.
Just rocking around. No,
I'm going to.
You're just wrapping these around, and you're just going to let them go by contact.
And if you want to make sure they're fully secured, put a toothpick through them. It makes Guy happy. Put them in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes.
Which one looks the best?
Sir, the one that has a toothpick through it.
Toothpick prevails. Welcome back. Having a big kind of clam-baked seafood feast here at the ranch. Rocco DiSpirito is doing these fantastic. Oh, here they are. He did these beautiful jalapenos that he split open and, well, after much argument and discussion, took the seeds and stems out. Let's go over to the jalapeno poppers. Where are these things ready? Have they cooled down?
I think they're ready.
Well, look at how pretty you made it, Rocco.
Try to make you feel welcome.
Gorgeous. I don't want to wreck the look, so I'll go over here and grab this molten. Okay.
So it's wrapped in thick bacon. The bacon obviously is not going to, cook all the way it would if it were thin bacon. I didn't pre-cook the poppers. I like the jalapeno to be chewy,
right,
and not just fall apart in your mouth. I think you'll notice that.
Right. Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay. That was every bit of clam chowder in a jalapeno. The jalapeno still has good body to it.
Yeah, let's get some.
Perfect size bacon, awesome char, and sticking it together with a little bit of that cornstarch kept it from running out.